It's been a couple of days since I posted our 50k AMD Edition 2023 gaming PC reboot, right? And I got like tremendous response from you people. It was a next gen gaming PC built on AMD's newest Ryzen 7000 series platform. You're getting DDR5 RAM, new motherboard, Gen 4 storage, and all of that. But since it was a bit tight on a budget, we had to rely on the built in Radeon graphics. So there I got like so many comments from you people asking, like, Vimal bhai, can you add like a budget sort of GPU to that build and shows what sort of performance can we expect? And guess what, that is what I'll be doing in this video. I have like a couple of GPUs over here, guys, and we'll be doing a bit of testing, and this video is going to be like super fun, so make sure to watch it till the end. And by the way, this video is sponsored by AMD. A big thank you to them. So guys, in that video, a lot of people were looking to add like a budget GPU around like 25,000 rupees. For that price point, I would suggest you to go with something like a Radeon 6600 RX 6600. It's like a value for money GPU, guys. You're getting like 8 gigs of GDDR6 memory. It's based on RDNA2 architecture. PCI Gen 4 support is also there, and plenty of other features. So if you're looking for like great 1080p level gaming experience on budget, this is the card you can definitely go for. But apart from that, we also have like a couple of other Radeon GPUs as well. But before I actually talk about that now, let me actually tell you what can you expect on these AMD's cards. So as I've told you, these are Radeon 6000 series GPUs, and they were launched like a few years back, and they were based on like RDNA2 architecture. And RDNA2 has been like a big success, guys, and they've been steadily progressing. And recently AMD announced their RDNA3 based 7000 series GPUs, and that offer like killer next gen performance, guys. Radeon 7000 series are like the world's first chiplet based gaming GPUs, and I've also reviewed these GPUs on the channel. In case if you missed my videos, you'll have to check out that video on my channel. So combine this great hardware with their Adrenalin software, you can expect like a total killer package over here. So as you can see, we have a couple of GPUs over here, and choosing a graphic card can actually depend on your budget. For example, if you're looking for a 1080p level graphic card and you have a budget of somewhere around say 25,000 rupees, you can go for the Radeon RX 6600. Talking about the specs, this one packs like 8 gigs of GDDR6 memory. You're getting stream processors that are around like 1792, 28 compute units and re-accelerators with 32 MB infinity cache, and also has like great game and boost clock frequencies as well. So this card can offer you like value for money performance and buttery smooth 1080p level gaming. Now suppose if you're looking for something like a high frame rate gaming experience, maybe you want to do like esports gaming, or maybe like entry level 1440p, and your budget is somewhere around say 30,000 rupees, then you can go for its next model, the 6650 XT, guys. This is also a great GPU. Now if you're looking for something like a smooth 1440p level gaming, and you can even extend the budget up to like 35,000 rupees also, then you can definitely check out its bigger brother 6700 XT. If you talk about the specs, you can definitely check them out on your screen. So as I've told you guys, totally depends on your requirement and the budget. Now suppose you are like an enthusiast level gamer and you don't want to compromise, you want to do like 4K level gaming, you will have to check out their most powerful GPUs in the 6000 series, which is the 6900 and 6950 XT edition GPUs. These come with up to like 16 gigs of GDDR6 memory and offer you no compromise smooth 4K level gaming. Now since I got like huge number of comments for the budget GPU, which is Radeon 6600, that is what I'll be adding to the 50k AMD edition gaming PC and show you what sort of numbers and performance you can expect over here. And not to miss out, one more great feature you'll be getting on this Radeon GPUs is AMD's FSR technology. FSR stands for Fidelity FX Super Resolution, and this is like AMD's next level temporal upscaling technology, guys, and enabling this can greatly boost your frame rates while gaming, that too without compromising image quality. And in certain cases and scenarios, it actually offers like better than native image quality. And with the recent FSR 2.1 update now, they've been showing like great amount of promise. In fact, I'll actually show you like a real live demo, guys. I'll actually show you the gameplay with FSR off and FSR on and show you what sort of updates and differences you can see while gaming. So stay tuned for that. And lastly, coming to the software part, well, software also plays like a crucial role, right? Here you're getting AMD's Adrenalin software technology, and it offers like a very clean, minimalistic, modern UI and offers variety of things. You got like exclusive AMD technologies like super resolution, FreeSync. You can also do like performance tuning for your hardware and enable or disable performance stat, game stats, driver updates, get all your news information. It's like an all-in-one hub and solution. So this is the current scenario, guys. We'll be adding the 6600 GPU to our 50k AMD gaming PC, and then check out the benchmarks and performance. If you haven't watched that video, you'll have to check it out. Link to that is in the card above. It's like part 1 to this and very knowledgeable and useful. So before we jump into the benchmarks, let me quickly tell you the specs of that 50k AMD edition gaming PC. We went with AMD's Ryzen 5 7600, which is a 6-core 12-thread CPU with up to 5.1 GHz max boost frequency. Having a TDP of around 65 watts, it's a very well-performing CPU at an affordable price tag. Value for money is what I can say. Now, since it's a new gen CPU, obviously you'll need like a new model motherboard as well, right? So we went with an affordable category B650M motherboard from Gigabyte. For the RAM, I used like a 16GB kit, 18:2 in dual channel configuration, DDR5 RAM, and a 256GB M.2 SSD. So that's it. These were basically the specs of that PC. Now let's get into the gaming performance and check out the benchmarks as well. So if you people actually remember, without a GPU, that overall build could only handle around like 720p medium level graphics or at most 1080p very low settings at reasonable amount of frame rates. But after adding AMD's Radeon RX 6600 GPU to the same setup, there is like huge amount of improvement in the performance. It's like crazy. You can literally play any AAA title game on this setup at 1080p ultra level graphics with Musca smooth performance. Right now we are playing Spider-Man Miles Morales at 1080p very high graphics, and ray tracing is off right now with AMD's FSR also off, and as you can see, we were getting an average of around 85 FPS and sometimes going even above like 100 FPS also. That is nuts! The game feels so smooth, no lags, no stutters, nothing, just pure fun and joy. You'll absolutely enjoy gaming on this configuration. And you know what? The Radeon 6600 is also capable of handling a bit of ray tracing as well. Now keep in mind it's an affordable category GPU, right? So AMD's FSR technology has to be enabled to enjoy ray tracing experience over here. All the settings are still same as before, 1080p very high graphics, both ray trace shadows and reflections set to very high, and AMD's FSR 2.1 is also enabled. And as you can see, we were getting an average of around 40 to 45 FPS, which is pretty much playable, I would say. All thanks to FSR. Without enabling FSR, you cannot enjoy ray tracing games with such good frame rates. So simply by adding a GPU like Radeon RX 6600 to the same setup, these are the sort of results you can expect over here on that new gen AMD gaming PC. Keeping Spider-Man aside, I've also played our all-time favorite GTA 5 at 1080p ultra settings, and we were getting an average of around 125 to 130 FPS on an average. You know, getting these sort of high frame rates with a silky smooth gaming experience is like a dream for many gamers out there. Just get a compatible 144Hz gaming monitor and you people are all set. There's also one more thing. You might wonder, like, can the Radeon 6600 actually handle 1440p level gaming? A lot of people might get this question. So I did a small test for that as well. We played GTA 5 at 1440p very high settings and surprisingly got an average of around 75 to 80 FPS. You might have not expected that, right? So yes, you can try out playing at 1440p as well on this setup. Well, that is pretty much it. Time to wrap it up. Our video on upgrading a 50k AMD Edition gaming PC with an affordable Radeon GPU in 2023. What do you people think? Did it satisfy your expectations? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below. So that's it, guys. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video and got to learn a lot. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.